Assalamualaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to convert RGB to CMYK color in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a RGB PDF file and go to Tools menu. Click the Print Production and click the Convert Colors and select the object, image or text or any object and color type any CMYK or device or calibrated and go to conversion profile and select the Photoshop 5 default CMYK and click the OK. Save the file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.